What's going on, guys? Gabe here with ReviewDork, and today I want to share with you some ways to help you score a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series X for little Timmy, because little Timmy does not want to be disappointed, and we have about 23 days before Judgment Day. Now, these tips and tricks are not a guarantee for you to score a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, but they are going to up your chances, especially if you are anti-scalper. And let me tell you, the playing field is not even for the average consumer and the scalper. Just absolutely not. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, you need to be familiar with a website called PopFinder. Now, I'm going to share links in the description for everything that I cover in this video, including UPCs that will help you go ahead and find the stock faster. And as you guys could see right behind me, the site should be refreshing, and it's refreshing for a PlayStation 5. I do in fact have a bot, and I'm going to show you guys where to get that bot a little later in the video. Also, I want to put it out there, I do not have any affiliations with these websites and or bots, so I'm not making money out of this. In fact, I will be losing money because since this morning, I've been looking for PS5 drops, and there was one at Costco, but I don't have a membership. Let's jump right into it. So with PopFinder is pretty straightforward. You select the console you're looking for, whether it be an Xbox or a PS5, and it's going to throw back some information as to which Targets have them in stock. Now, Target has done something that Walmart's not doing. As you can see, the site's still refreshing. Target is forcing you to use the app. Can't have any bots on your phone, right? Basically, you would find the inventory, which we have. We found the inventory at a Target maybe about 15 miles away. We're showing 10. However, the app is actually showing out of stock. So what is this telling me? This is telling me that Target is shoring up their inventory so that when they release, they have enough items to go around. So we're all pretty much just waiting for a stock drop, and PopFinder is going to help you. Make sure you sign up with Target, get all your information pre-populated, and you should be good to go. Next up, we have another website called Brickseeker, and with Brickseeker, you're going to need UPC codes. We should have UPC codes popping up right about now. Also, those UPC codes will be in the description. So you take those UPC codes and you choose on whether you want to search for Walmart inventory or Target inventory, enter the UPC for the Xbox Series X or the PS5, and see which locations have those units in stock. So I really like what Target's doing. They're forcing you to use the app and pretty much stay on their site. But as you can see, Walmart's still going, and you're probably wondering why I'm using a bot to get another PS5. Well, I'm giving them away, guys. I'm giving Xbox Series X's away. I'm giving PS5s away. I already have them sitting there on my desk, as you guys could see. But it is the holiday season, and people are just wondering, hey, how do I get one? So those are your first two options. Check out PopFinder, and then check out Brickseeker. Now, when it comes to sites like Walmart, Target, if you want a bot just like what I'm using, I'll include that link down in the description, basically called the most advanced bot. And what it's going to allow you to do is pre-populate everything, your billing, your payment information, and then it's going to hit refresh. And that's pretty much it. Now, you can hit stock finder sites, and I really feel like those stock finder sites, the gimmick with them, and you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, there's ads placed everywhere. So every single time you hit refresh, they're getting paid. Ka-ching, ka-ching. We have this hype surrounded around these consoles, and everyone's just making money. Check out our stock finder. Come here, come there, go everywhere. Everyone's waiting for a drop. And I find that a little crazy. And what I mean by this is, for those who are actually paying double to 3 times on eBay, they're getting a lot of shit for it. And excuse my language, they're getting complete shit for it. Yet, there are live channels on YouTube right now where they're just sitting there and they're refreshing Target, Best Buy, the refreshing Costco, the refreshing Walmart, and they've been doing this for hours. And so if you're gonna call the guy who doesn't want to let little Timmy down crazy, you gotta call the guy who's sitting there all day just hitting a refresh button like he doesn't have a job. You gotta call him crazy too. I'm gonna throw it out there. The PlayStation 5 should be worth more than $499. I mean, the Xbox Series X is also priced at $499. We both know that the consoles are loss leaders for both Sony and Microsoft because they do cost more than what they're retailing for. And so Microsoft is trying to make that money back with Xbox Game Pass subscriptions, etc., etc. And then obviously Sony can make that back with the PlayStation Now, and again, it's subscription based, right? So you're gonna make a lot of money with that. But I do feel like the PlayStation should be valued at somewhere between $599 and $699. So now we head on over to eBay. I like to find sellers that are nearest me. And I like to send them a message directly and offer cash. And the reason why I offer cash is because eBay will take 10%. And so you can negotiate a price where they make a little bit more money than what they would make on eBay after they take the 10% and after they go ahead and absorb the cost of shipping. And it's local and they're getting paid. And more importantly, you get to see the product with your eyes. No one's gonna ship out a picture of a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. And again, that is if you dare. That is if you really want little Timmy, little John, and hell, there's some young girls out there who are gamers as well. But this is our only hope. Guys, if you want to secure these units, you're going to have to purchase one of these bots. Or you're going to have to sit there mindlessly like a zombie in front of your monitor just hoping that there's a drop somewhere. And I don't know, but where I'm from, time is money, and I think it's kind of crazy. For those scalpers out there that are securing 3,500 units, holy crap, you secured 3,500 units. And Applejack's behind me. Are they looking for validation back there? All right, how long is this video? So far we're 11 minutes in, and now Walmart's asking for validation. Let's not beat up on the scalpers. Go ahead and check out these inventory sites. I'll include all the resources in the description. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and make sure you leave a funny comment because that's who I'm going to give the PS5 away to. And all right, I got to go. I got to meet a scalper in 20 minutes. So, peace.